Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best acupressure mats that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the budget-friendly Babe Hop Acupressure Mat Set. If you're looking for an affordable solution to back pain, muscle tension, or stress, this mat is worth a look. It comes with a mat, a pillow, and a carrying bag, making it easy to use at home or on the go. This set is designed to stimulate pressure points and promote relaxation, whether you're at your desk, on the couch, or lying on the floor. The design is simple but effective, with skin-friendly cotton and ABS plastic pressure points. While it's not as premium as others on this list, the mat is lightweight and machine washable, adding to its convenience. However, the number of acupressure points is lower compared to high-end options, and the build quality reflects its lower price point. Beginners should note that it's recommended to start with light clothing to reduce initial discomfort. Overall, the Babe Hop mat is a great entry-level option for those exploring acupressure therapy without a big investment. It's ideal for casual users who want a portable and quick relaxation tool. However, serious users or those looking for more durable materials may find it lacking. For just $14.99, it's hard to beat the value, but don't expect premium features at this price point. Coming in at number 4 is the XiaoMaGe Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. This set stands out for its larger size, designed to accommodate taller individuals comfortably. With 6,930 acupressure points on the mat and 1,782 on the pillow, it provides a solid balance between effectiveness and affordability. It's made from high-elastic foam and non-toxic plastic needles, ensuring a safe and comfortable experience. The build quality is reasonably good for the price. The mat feels durable and offers adequate support, making it a great choice for relaxing your muscles after a long day. Users report noticeable pain relief and improved circulation after consistent use. However, its design may not be as eco-friendly or luxurious as some of the premium options on this list. The included carrying bag is a nice touch for portability, but the overall aesthetic is fairly basic. This mat is perfect for people who want a slightly upgraded experience without breaking the bank. It's particularly suitable for those who work long hours at a desk or need relief from sciatica and back pain. While it lacks the natural materials and premium feel of higher-end mats, at $20.94, it offers excellent value for its features. At number 3 is the Gaiam Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. Known for its high-quality wellness products, Gaiam delivers an affordable yet effective acupressure mat designed for a wide range of users. This set includes a mat and pillow, both equipped with thousands of pressure points to simulate acupuncture-style therapy. It's designed to alleviate muscle tension, reduce stress, and improve circulation. The build quality is solid, with a durable design that can handle regular use. It's easy to clean with a damp towel, and the compact size makes it easy to store when not in use. However, the material isn't as eco-friendly as some premium options, and while the pressure points are effective, advanced users might find the density of the points less intense compared to higher-end mats. That said, its versatility is a big plus, as it can be used for everything from headache relief to improving sleep quality. Priced at $29.99, the Gaiam mat is an excellent mid-range option for those seeking a balance of quality and affordability. Whether you're an acupressure beginner or someone looking for a reliable tool for pain relief and relaxation, this mat is a solid choice. Just keep in mind that it may not offer the luxurious feel or eco-friendly materials of some of the top-ranked mats. Our runner-up is the ProsourceFit Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. This product is a standout for its combination of quality, versatility, and user-friendly design. With 8,910 acupressure points on the mat and 1,782 on the pillow, it's designed to provide full-body support and pain relief. It's made from 100% cotton with plant-based ecofoam, offering a more sustainable and comfortable option than many competitors. The ProsourceFit mat excels in performance, providing effective relief for back pain, muscle tension, and headaches. It's particularly well-suited for taller individuals, thanks to its longer dimensions. Whether you're recovering from a workout or looking to de-stress after a long day, this mat offers a reliable solution. However, the cleaning process can be slightly cumbersome since it requires hand washing, and the design isn't as luxurious as our top pick. At $29.99, the ProsourceFit mat offers excellent value for its price point. It's ideal for both beginners and seasoned users who want a dependable, high-quality product without splurging on a premium option. If you're seeking a versatile acupressure mat that delivers consistent results, this one should definitely be on your radar. And taking the top spot is the UNMERA Acupressure Mat and Pillow Set. This premium option stands apart for its eco-friendly materials and exceptional build quality. Made with 100% natural linen and coconut fiber filling, it's designed for users who prioritize sustainability and durability. With 5,304 acupressure points on the mat and 1,368 on the pillow, it provides a highly effective and comfortable acupressure experience. What sets the UNMERA mat apart is its handmade construction and thoughtful design. The natural materials not only feel great, but also ensure long-term durability. The coconut fiber filling prevents deformation over time, and the buckwheat husk pillow enhances neck support. Cleaning is straightforward, thanks to the removable cotton inner bag. The included canvas carrying bag makes it easy to take on the go, whether you're heading to the office or traveling. At $49.98, this is the most expensive product on our list, but it's worth every penny for users who want the best of the best. It's perfect for advanced users, eco-conscious buyers, and anyone seeking a premium relaxation tool. While the higher price may deter budget shoppers, the UNMERA mat delivers unmatched quality and performance, making it the top choice in this category. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.